This app is used to enter community data. You have to enter username and password to log into the system. If you want to add city to this application, you can add city by going to city option from the menu and click create new button. Now select country from the drop-down list, then select state from the drop-down list and enter city in the city name text field. Once all the information is filled, select save change button to add a new city. You can also view the newly added city by going to list of city and select the country and state and press submit. It will list all the cities for selected country and state. If you want to add new location to the application, open menu and click location, then select create new button. Select country from drop-down list. Select state from state name drop-down list. Select city from city drop-down list. Enter location name in the text field. Once all the information is filled, then press save change to add new location. You can view newly create location by going to location and filter to view newly create location. Create new community data. To add new community data, go to menu and select community data. You can also add new community data from home screen by clicking add community data button, then select create new.
Now add information. First name. Last name. Email. Select gender. Select date of birth. Enter phone number. Enter father details. Enter mother details. Enter your sibling details. You can add more siblings by clicking more button. Select country from drop-down. Select state from drop-down. Select city from drop-down. Enter verified address.
You can upload photo or any other document file by selecting type and then clicking browse button. Then we have optional questions regarding personal information, community and security of camp. Once all the required information is entered, we can select save change to enter new community data.